Hi, this is a quick setup of the Zhiyun Crane.
When I first got this, it took me a little while to understand what exactly to do. So I'm going to run you through quickly. The first two steps is to calibrate your gimbal or your camera to look forward like this, and it has to stand on its own. And the second will be this. There is a third calibration step, which I will show you later on a proper tripod set. Also understand that there are two arms, one right here and one right here. Three motors, one here, and one here. If I carry this arm back down this way, you find out that this is what we want to do. So to adjust that, we loosen this a bit and you push in or out till you have something as close as possible to this. Depending on the kind of lens you have, you might have to shift your camera forward or backward with this right here. If I take this, you might have this, for example. So you might want to tighten the screw slightly so that the camera does not keep freely falling backwards or forward while you're adjusting it. So you want to shift this forward till you have a balance. And if in any case, if it's not balanced still, you probably want to also adjust the arm right here. Okay, once you have this facing forward on its own, the next thing you want to do is calibrate it facing upwards. That's your lens facing vertically up, and you want to do that by adjusting the arm right here. Oops, that's not what you want. You adjust till you have, once you have that, you tighten it. Now those are the first two steps to calibrating your Zhiyun gimbal. They should have fixed in the manual that you should fix your Zhiyun gimbal on a tripod for calibration, which I have done right here. I'm going to bend this all the way to the side. I'm going to shift this a little bit so that you can see this. And here is what we need to do. We need to face our camera forward this way. Once your camera is able to stand correctly this way, then you have the last calibration done. You can have this on the left side or on the right side. It really doesn't matter. If it's on the right side, you might have something like this for the arms. Now I'm talking about the arms, not the camera. You might have something like this if you tilt it the other way. But for this side, you have this. And the reason why I usually would use this side is because I want this screw right here to be on the top side. So this is the best position for me. I have that position already, so I'm going to lock it in. And I have my 3-step calibration done. Nice and easy. Alright, so I have my gimbal away from I'm going to take the tripod to the side now, and always read your manual. Your manual tells you do not put on your gimbal until your camera is until your gimbal is well calibrated. I have calibrated my gimbal according to the manual, and I'm going to power it on right now. I'm going to hold this button, and hold it down, and you should notice it snap. Alright, so I have my gimbal powered up. Alright, okay, that last calibration, this is what it allows you to do. I hope you find this video very useful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post below. Thank you.